Hi guys, I wanted to come on today to show you this palette that you'll have seen in my recent haul. It's the Revolution Pro and it's a new neutral blushed palette, and I'm going to open it. Look at the packaging. It is gorgeous, isn't it? So I opened it on the video, but I didn't swatch it because I thought I'm going to just do a whole swatching video for you. And the palette is one of the most, like, the packaging is absolutely gorgeous. It's some of the prettiest packagings that I've seen. I just love the colour. I love the, the print and the animal print and everything. And inside the Revolution Pro, it actually has a mirror, which is fantastic as well. And the colours. So those are the colours there. Now, the names of the colours are actually on the palette, which is good. I never always used to do that. But it is on this palette anyway, and it used to just be on the plastic sheet, but this plastic sheet is just for protection, and most people would have thrown that away usually. So I'm going to just do the top row, so you'll see the top row. I'm going to go from my left to my right, and then I'll do the other rows. Okay, now there's some would these be called, the kind of pressed, kind of glittery looking ones. Now I don't have a glitter glue, but I will just try swatching it as normal for you. Okay, so the first colour I'm going to swatch is, bizarrely, it's called Mint. It's kind of like a rosy pink, isn't it? It's nice. The next one is Dazed. Wow, that's gorgeous. Now, Tone, which I think would be great for an all over eyelid for me. Aglow. Wow, these colours are beautiful. Luster, which is the kind of one that I think I might need a glue, a glitter glue, because I think you could, yeah, I think we would need a glitter glue for that. This next one's Posset. Oh, that is gorgeous as well. So, the next one's Rhubarb, the next row, should I say. Oh, that is, look at the pigmentation in that. I know finger swatches don't always show how a palette will perform when it's used with a brush, but it gives me a good indication. That is Cava. That is amazing. That is the pressed. That is that one. Here, the pressed kind of, the glittery one, but look how well that's come out. I hear you, Buster. This next one's Roasted, which looks to me like kind of almost pumpkin. Oh, that's gorgeous. And we've got Curio. Oh, I like that as well. There isn't a colour so far I haven't actually liked. Gala, which looks like it's a kind of greeny. There is no glitter in that one. I think the glitter has just come from my fingers. So Claret. It looks a bit patchy, but just put another coat on it and it's lovely. So I'm wiping my fingers just so I can get just so I don't keep transferring any of the colours over. And this next one is a cracker. Lucent, it's called. Look at that. It's an absolute classic colour. Prime, which looks like it would be another one that would be good for kind of all over. Scarlett. Scarlett's very similar to Claret. Corona, which I think made me laugh the last time. Oh, I like Corona. Bloom is one of the cutest colours. It's pastel-y kind of... Oh! Now, to me, that looks kind of... almost look kind of pastel-y pinky. It looks more kind of orangey, earthy colour. Interesting. And the last colour is Glimpse. That is lovely. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 12, 18 colours in this palette. Now, I think I got 3 for 2 when I bought them. So it was really, really good offer. But out of all those colours, there's lots that I would use every day as well as going out or for doing a look. I will do another video soon and do a few looks with this palette actually, I think. I really love the colours. And even though I'm not going out, that doesn't stop me. I'll do a look for in the house. So yeah, it's all come off not too bad actually. Nothing's really stained. One of my fingertip was stained with something, but it's not actually really stained my arm too badly. So that was the Revolution Pro New Neutral Blushed Palette, and it is very much blushed colours, you know, like kind of, almost like kind of rose goldy kind of colours. So let me know if you've got this palette, if you like this palette, if you'd like to see some looks with this palette, then I will do that for you. I am trying my hardest to start using the palettes. I am very bad for buying palettes and popping them away. So anyway guys, thank you for watching and I'll speak to you soon. Bye.